Yeah. What? Oh, okay. Hang on. We'll see. Well, it's recording, I think. Okay. Oh. 8.4 continues. You can put them right there up on the board. Well, what was 8.4 all about? Yes. Can you give me the law of cosine? What was my equation? I'm forgetting one extra bit here. Cosine of C. Yes. We're gonna just remember that one and use that one for today. So number 20. Should have been 13, 21, 83, and x. Am I missing a side or am I missing an angle? Yep, so this is missing a side. Let's do some labeling. I have 83. I need my angle. I need that to be C. So we're going to call this C. Let's call this A. Let's call this B. That angle up there is B. Klein, if this is angle B, what is this length right here? What do we label that?
Oh, your
Opposite of uppercase B, angle, the length we make uppercase, yeah, lowercase b, perfect, opposite. If this is uppercase A, opposite, 13 should be what, Vincent? Uppercase or lowercase? Uppercase or lowercase? Lower, yes, sorry. I didn't hear you. Okay, I'm gonna erase these arrows. Okay, now we start to fill in. So, taking my equation from above, C, lowercase c is what side? Yes, x. So we have x squared equals b, Klein said was 21, plus a, should be 13, minus 2. A is still 13, b is still 21. We can't forget our cosine of angle C. Rodelia, what is angle C? That's side C. Yep, 83 degrees. Did I say 26? Oh, okay. Okay, this is a very long equation. I would recommend you have calculators for this portion so you can find what this equals to. Oh, you guys have no, and then you from it's 23. I'm going to show you how to put in the calculator. Okay. You guys have slightly a different calculator than me. Let's do our parentheses. 21 squared plus 13. If you don't know how to get squared, it's this little caret button. Should be somewhere on the right hand side of your calculator. Minus 2a, which is 21, 13, and then cosine of 38. Oh. Yep, you're right. I was going to say, that looks wrong. What did you all get?
7.7.
You got 7.7? When you put in this equation?
So keep it as that.
Yeah, you can go from here. You want to put that. Yeah, but not, you can't subtract yet. Who didn't get this number?
Dang. Whoa.
Okay, yeah, that's next step. Now, Elijah, what did you do next? Yes. Yes. So, we got s squared equals 543.46. And we have to do square root, Elijah said, of both sides. Take the square root. Get x equals, what did you get, Elijah? 23.3? Yep. That should have been your answer. Yeah. Did any part of that trip you up besides putting it in your calculator? No? Okay. We're going to move on to missing an angle next, which is always a little bit tricky. Okay. I'm going to need some more room on this. Okay. Oh. It is easy. All you're doing is plugging in the numbers. Okay. I'm going to erase this. Okay. Next one. Missing an angle. Will, did you have a question? No? Okay. Yeah. New example. New triangle. I'm going to give you all three sides. And we're going to find x. And I'm going to label this A, B, C. Kevin, can you remind me what the law of cosine equation is? Yep. Angle C. So I label this A, B, C, so that C was over here. So that we can just stick to this equation and I don't have to move out any letters at all. Okay, Anna, what is one thing we know about this equation? Say it one time. This is, yes, so this right here, so we have cosine of x. Is that what you're saying? Yeah, okay. What is the side length of C?
19.
Yep, 19. What about B?
22.
Mm-hmm. What about A? Mm-hmm. So I have 2, 11 times 22. Wow, I just fit that. Okay. What is 19 squared?
361.
361 equals, what is 22 squared plus 11 squared? Let's do step by step. What is 22 squared? 484 plus 121. Sunny, what is negative 2 times 11 times 22? You can use your calculator. What? 484? So close. Yeah. I'm surprised you know the top of your head. Cosine of x. So I'm trying to get cosine all by itself right here. This all by itself. So I can move over some like terms. What do you all want to move over? You want to combine first? Okay, let's combine first. What do you want to combine?
The addition 484 and 120.
This bit right there? Okay, what do you get?
605 and 5.
Mm-hmm. Minus 484 cosine of x. Can I combine the 605 minus 484 cosine of x? Yeah. Yes. This is one whole number. This is a different number. We have cosine of x. These are not like terms. If this was 605 cosine of x, then I could have. But this says cosine of x, so I cannot combine those two. Yeah. Do you want to add it or subtract it? Yep. Computer's about to die.
Is it not plugged into the bottom? I think it was, but is it charging? I can't tell.
It's not charging.
Oh, it's not plugged in. 6 minutes. Oh.
Okay. I think so.
Is it charging?
Oh,
I know what happened. Here we go.
Okay, yeah, okay. Sophia said we want to move over. Are we subtracting or adding? Yeah, subtracting 605. Negative 605. Negative 240?
44.
44. Equals 484 cosine of x. How can I get rid of the negative 484? What operation is happening in between these two numbers? Yes. So, Riley, what do you want to do? If this is multiplication between these two numbers, if I want to get this all by itself, what do I have to do? Yes. Divide. Prime, what did you get? 5040. 4, 1?
Yep.
Okay. Now, if I'm finding an angle at this point, what do I have to take from both sides? Chelsea was talking about it earlier. Yeah, Kevin, go ahead. Yep, take the inverse of what? Inverse of sine? Tangent? Cos. Which is really a short word for cosine. Cosine, yeah. I would say that. So we're taking the inverse for both sides. So what did x equal? Say a little bit slow, Elijah. Sorry. 59.7 degrees. Does anyone agree with Elijah? Yes? I heard 2 people. I want everyone to try it. Yeah? Great. Now that was a lot of moving around numbers, right? It's a lot. I wonder if there was just an equation that I could use for this. There is. If I moved everything around without the numbers, I would have just had cosine of c equals s squared minus b squared minus a squared divided by negative 2ab. I'm going to make this a little bit more clear that this is an uppercase C. So you can either move it around. You don't have to memorize this equation at all. You can just move around and combine like terms. Or this might help you. You still gotta take the inverse of cosine though. I think you're all ready to do some practice problems. Oh yeah, 100% on the board. I feel like some people are missing. Yeah. Who? Yes. I think it's gonna be okay though. Do we have? Oh. Do we have the notes down? Yeah? Yeah, okay. I already have your groups for you. 8.4. Boom. There's your groups. Ronaldo's not here, but that still makes a group of 5. And Kian's not here, so that is your group of 4. So Vincent and Kevin, you can pick a group, any group you want, and join them. Okay? So you can make a group of 2 groups of 4, but don't go to the same group. Okay, get up on the boards, and by the time you get there, I will have your first problem ready for you. The labels are already up. It's only groups of 3. What do you mean?
You have a thing right here.
Oh.
The frog.
I know.
Oh, wait, bro, you're not never.
Yeah, you can erase anything.
No, that's a narrative.
Hired me, right? You guys hired me? What is hired me? Why is it needing Elijah in your shirts? They can. Everyone needs Elijah.
Okay, go ahead and erase your boards so you have a clean slate.
Christian, you're with them. Where's Yash?
Oh, it's you.
He's alive.
From the future notes. It's really easy to stand up and put them down elsewhere. Please try to make sure if there's a marker. I know area that there's a marker.
Is this yours?
Okay, first problem's up. It's in green.
Get a marker. It's the cosine. Which one is it?
I don't know. What have we been learning this unit? I'm not gonna trick you right off the front.
Both sine, cosine.
What is this chapter on?
Log, cosine.
Yeah.
Okay, what do you do, guys?
C squared plus B squared
Was.
no, not equals, no, plus A squared.
You guys sure about that?
Here, C squared equals B squared plus A squared.
C squared.
Squared plus A squared plus 2AB cosine of C.
So, I recommend labeling these ones.
Is,
No, actually,
Is it minus 2? Is it minus 2 in here?
C should be the
there is. It's not right. So, if you think here, which are the sides that we're doing? So,
I think A squared is 12. No, B squared is 12. A squared is what? Oh yeah. Then lowercase a sides. So the sides.
what's B?
B is 18. 18 squared plus
I got syntax
12.
I missed it.
Plus 2.
4, 60,
18.
466?
Then C.
You think so?
Sir.
C. Oh. 110.
You were close. Then, you could plug this all in a calculator. Let's see. It's something. Squared.
Has this dawned on you, or have you realized how valuable this is for construction stuff yet, or not yet? We'll get there. Do you know what you want to do, like, for your life? Any idea? Not all. Okay. Just curious. What? You done?
Yeah. Oh yeah, we got a square.
Definitely. For sure.
6.1. Is
You just take the first 4 digits. Would you round this to?
8.
So, do you guys need any clarification?
Go. Great, good job. This is your next problem.
You want me to write it?
This one. Label it so we know which one.
Same one.
Same thing actually. This one, it's more easy. Squared minus b squared minus a squared over 2. So this one.
So this c squared should be 4.
Yeah. Wait.
So cosine of x
You can take a picture of it.
So it's gonna be
minus 7.
Wait, how do you know when to use this?
So this one, I wrote it down. If we're missing an angle, it's more easier to use this for me. Six.
You'll notice, like, you'll probably wait, that would be like, if you have like, and then just
Leave it on your cheat sheet.
just reread.
Did you guys 69 for this one?
If this was law of cosine or law of sine. Now, there's a pretty good way to tell. Maybe. If you're doing law of sine, if you're doing law of cosine. I'm going to give you roughly 2 of the same triangles. We're not going to solve these right now, but I'm just going to give them to you. I'm going to give you a side, an angle, and a side. I want you to solve for a side. No, don't actually solve it. Now, I'm going to do the same exact triangle, except I'm going to give you 2 angles. I would, yes, definitely. And 2 angles. Does anyone have any thoughts on how they would solve the first one? What? Mm-hmm. So this one you could do with law of cosine. In law of sine, you need angles to be opposite of sides. I only have one angle opposite of one side. I don't have another one. So that's kind of delaying it. So I have 2 sides plus 1 angle. And it's in a very certain order. We have side, angle, side. Sure. Side, angle, side. If I also gave you a triangle with 3 sides, which was this problem, and you're trying to solve for an angle, should also be doing law of sine. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's fine too. Thank you. Now, this problem, I have 2 angles. It's a very good indication that I'm now doing law of sine. First one was law of cosine. I think I was saying law of sine the whole time. Law of sine is down below. I have 1 side plus 2 angles. It's gonna help you try to figure out which one you're gonna do. So, Sunny, does that help you? It's gonna help you in the future when you do some problems. Looking at this. So I have 3 sides, or 2 sides and 1 angle, and it's inside the 2 sides that I'm doing law of cosine. I have 1 side and 2 angles, then I should be doing law of sine. Why do I keep saying law of sine? Okay. Your homework will just be law of cosine. And that's going to be tonight's homework. You didn't have... You kind of do have homework every day. But it's shorter than I was going to give you. They're pretty short homeworks. This is good practice. Sorry if I give more homework. But it's going to help you. Because guess what? Next week, you guys have a test on this. Guys, one was done. There's only one more unit in this thing. That's it. I wrote down the homework and now it's gone. Okay. Okay, guess what? You already did 20, so you don't have to do that one anymore. So we're going to do 21. That's a good question. 375. 375. Guys, this homework wasn't very long. How long did it take you to do the 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
30 minutes.
It was 6 problems last night. No, realistically. 30 minutes.
I missed my meal prep. It was so long. I missed 2 my meal prep.
Okay. So, you already did 20. 21. 22. I'm just listing them off now. 25. 27. Trying to find a good word problem. And 29. Oh my god, 5 problems. So long. No, you'll be fine. Should probably take you like 30 minutes. Guess what? 29, you don't even have to sketch it. It's in your book.
In my computer. I love plugging words. I picked the easiest.